guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know that Diwali is coming soon. So for Diwali today I am going to make two types of Rangoli colors and two types of Diwali candles. So now without wasting much time, first let's make our Rangoli colors. So now let's go. So for making our first type of Rangoli color, I am using half cup of rice. Then add your favorite color in it. Now mix it well. So guys, now we have to just grind it, then our Rangoli color is ready. So guys, you can see that now our Rangoli color is ready and this is perfect. So for this, I am using half cup of salt and 1 tablespoon of food color. Now we have to just mix it. So guys, now our second type of Rangoli color is ready and this is also perfect. So that's all about Rangoli colors. Now let's make our Diwali candles. So for this I am using a glass cup. Now add water in it. Add 1 teaspoon of food color. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now take a piece of a plastic sheet with a hole at the center and then insert wick into it. For making it more beautiful, sprinkle some glitter. So guys, now our first type of candle is ready. So now let's test it. For this we need candles and now make pieces of it. Add crayon in it. Now keep it in microwave for around 30 seconds. After that, pour it into your cup and refrigerate it for 5 minutes and also insert wick into it. So guys, now our second candle is also ready. So now let's test it. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. Link is in description. So till next video, bye.